Early humans walked without direction. They followed food. They followed water. They followed fear. Getting lost meant death. The land was huge. The group was small. One wrong turn, one forgotten path, and survival ended. At first, humans relied on instinct, but instinct failed. Then something changed. An early human noticed landmarks, a bent tree, a strange rock, a river that curved. These places stayed in memory, not as words, but as images. Walking became remembering. One landmark led to another. This path meant safety. That path meant danger. Humans learned the land could be remembered. Journeys became predictable. Water was found again. Shelter was returned to. Danger was avoided. Children were guided, not by pointing, but by stories. The tree that looked broken, the stone shaped like teeth, the river that sang loudly. These descriptions created maps. Inside the mind, humans began traveling farther. Because return was possible, fear reduced. Confidence grew. The group no longer wandered. They navigated. This changed survival. Food sources were revisited. Seasonal movement improved. Enemies were avoided. The mind expanded. Thinking was no longer only about now, but about where. Animals followed instinct. Humans followed memory. This separated them. Even today, when we remember streets, landmarks, routes, we are using this ancient skill, born millions of years ago, when early humans looked at the land and decided to carry it inside their minds. Early humans feared the dark, but they feared fire more. Fire was not controlled. It was wild. It moved fast. It screamed. One dry season, the forest changed color. Smoke covered the sky. The air burned. Fire was coming. Animals ran. Birds vanished. The ground cracked. Early humans had never seen this. Flames swallowed trees. Heat chased breath. Running was the only choice. But fire moved faster. One human fell. Another lifted them. The group reached water. Mud covered bodies. Fire passed. Silence followed. The land was dead. Food was gone. Shelter was ash. But predators were gone too. The fire had killed everything, including fear. Days later, green returned. Fresh plants, new animals. The land healed. Early humans learned. Fire destroys, but also renews. It clears danger and creates opportunity. Fear turned into understanding. Later, when fire was controlled, memory guided behavior. Respect came first. Power came later. Even today, wildfire still scares us because long ago, fire hunted humans. Before humans ever hunted fire, early humans understood sleep. Sleep always ended. Eyes closed. Breath slowed. Then morning came. Until one day, morning did not come. An early human lay still. Breath gone. Eyes empty. The group waited. They touched. They shook. They called. Nothing returned. Fear spread. Predators kill. Hunger kills. False kill. But this was different. No wounds. No blood. Just absence. The body felt wrong. Cold. Heavy. The group stayed nearby. Leaving felt dangerous. But staying felt worse. Night arrived. The body did not move. Did not react. Something had changed. The group understood. This was not sleep. They dragged the body away. Not from fear, but confusion. Animals watched. Insects gathered. This felt wrong. The group pushed earth over the body. Not planned. Not taught. Just instinct. Covering felt safer. The ground closed. The body disappeared. Silence followed. The place felt important. The group returned later. Touched the ground. Sat quietly. This spot mattered. Death was now real. Fear grew. But so did meaning. Life felt fragile. Time felt limited. Humans began caring more, protecting more, staying closer. The dead were remembered, not because they lived, but because they stopped. Even today, we stop, we lower voices, we mark ground. Because long ago, when the first human did not wake up, humanity learned. Life ends, and memory begins.